Alan Meddy and from Meddy's Custom Countertops in Effingham, Illinois. Meddy's and Park got together in 2006. We were looking for our first saw. So I flew up to Park, and you know what? They manufacture everything from the raw steel. They have all the parts on the shelf. Park has given you the complete package that other manufacturers are not. And that's when I started that partnership with Park Industries. When we decided to make the commitment to add on, it is an addition to the building, but it's a completely new shop and warehouse for the stone facility. The first person I contacted was my Park rep. I said, Dale, what do we need to do? We need to talk about trench drains, we need to talk about water recycling, we need to talk about machine placements. He put me in contact with the engineers at Park that helped us with the drawings and the layouts. We're really impressed with the way it turned out. We did our move in the fall of 2022. With this addition, we were able to pull all of our storage inside, as well as add a third Titan, an additional saw, which we added the dual table SaberJet. We brought in Park Techs to move all the existing equipment, so we moved 2 existing Titans, a Fastback and a Fusion. So now we have the capacity to run 2 production lines. We can either run quartzite or ultra compact or like a Decton material down 1 production line, and then we can run all of our regular quartz and granite down the other production line. The 3cm work goes past our 3 Titans and then to the hand work and out the door. So by kind of separating that into 2 sawing stations and 2 lines has really helped us in efficiencies. We've also added a indoor viewing slab area that covers all weather conditions. We're trying to make it as nice for the customer as possible to come in and have an experience when they select their slabs. Our favorite right now is the SaberJet. The XP, it's fast. I mean, for us, it's speed, speed, speed. So it's really helped our throughput in the shop. So it has the mitering on the water jet, which is huge. So bring on the miter jobs, right? So it helps us on some of that intricate stuff that we would have probably turned down before. Now, you know, we can take on miter jobs that we wouldn't have offered before. We have 3 Titans, 3800, 2800, and then we have a 1016. We actually took all 3 CNCs and made them high flow kits. So now we can run high-speed tooling at high-speed rates. We're able to run at the capacity of the machines now, which truly helped our production, increased our production by probably 20%. I can't say enough about the water system that we have. In the new building, we added the 400 water recycling, and the water quality is just superb. We've been running with this new system for 6 months, and we have never replaced the first filter. We can wash our floor down in seconds instead of hours. The other thing that we added is an actual pit stir. We never have to get into the pit again. We recycle 100% of our water, 80,000 gallons of water. For us, that's huge because we want to be environmentally friendly. We have a lot cleaner shop, a lot less dust in the air. It was just incredible. When we made the commitment to add on to our shop and add the additional equipment that we purchased from Park, I have no more late nights. I get to go home and eat dinner with the family, and that's huge. When we added the third Titan to our line and added the SaberJet, we saw an immediate 15% increase in production and a 14% reduction in labor. That's total labor hours. So when you just break it down to overtime, which is a huge expense for every business, we actually saw a 54% reduction in overtime in the stone shop. So we've basically doubled our capacity with the addition. We're definitely proud to point out to our customers that we run all American-made equipment. Service, service, service. They are all about customer service, and they have never let us down. Not only do I feel that they have the service, but it's like a partnership. There's a connection there that, you know, if I need something, I can pick up. And if I'm not calling customer service, I can call my sales rep or a trainer for training a new employee. When you buy equipment from Park Industries, they take care of you.